Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English with Fana. Today, we are going to learn how to say you are beautiful without saying you are beautiful. You are beautiful is such a common and overused phrase. So, today, we are going to expand our vocabulary and give varieties to our conversation. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click thumbs up if you like this video. Without wasting any time, let's level up with 28 ways to say you are beautiful in creative and awesome ways. First, we will start with adjectives. Number 1, pretty. Pretty. For example, you are pretty as always. Number 2, adorable. Adorable. For example, you are so adorable. Number 3, gorgeous. Gorgeous. For example, you look drop-dead gorgeous. Number 4, attractive. Attractive. For example, you look very attractive. Number 5, stunning. Stunning. For example, I think you are stunning. Number 6, cute. Cute. For example, I think you look so cute. Number 7, hot. Hot. For instance, wow, you look so hot. Number 8, radiant. Radiant. For example, you look so radiant. Number 9, fantastic. Fantastic. For example, you look absolutely fantastic. Number 10, great. Great. For example, you look great. Number 11, vibrant. Vibrant. For example, you look so vibrant in that yellow dress. Number 12, heavenly. Heavenly. For example, you look heavenly in your wedding gown. Number 13, exquisite. Exquisite. For example, you look exquisite with that sun-kissed skin. Number 14, divine. Divine. For example, you look so divine. Number 15, ravishing. Ravishing. For example, you look ravishing in that red lipstick. Number 16, foxy. Foxy. For example, you look foxy in that new jeans of yours. Number 17, lovely. Lovely. For example, you look lovely in that outfit. Number 18, dreamy. Dreamy. For example, he looks so dreamy. Now, we're moving on to phrases. Number 19, you are beyond gorgeous. You are beyond gorgeous. Number 20, watching you is like listening to angels sing. Watching you is just like listening to angels sing. Number 21, I love the way you look tonight. I love the way you look tonight. Number 22. You have looks to die for. You have looks to die for. Number 23. You look out of this world. You look out of this world. Number 24. I can't take my eyes off you. I can't take my eyes off you. Number 25. Your smile melts my heart. Your smile melts my heart. Number 26. Your beauty is incomparable. Your beauty is incomparable. Number 27. You look like an angel. You look like an angel. Number 28. You look beautiful inside and out. You look beautiful inside and out. That's all for today. I hope to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to comment your favorite phrase to say you are beautiful. Also, do follow me in all my social media accounts. I have Instagram at English with Fana and a Facebook page. Till next time, bye beautiful people!